Siempre me gustaron la naturaleza, pero nunca me sentí tan relacionada cuando empecé a ir a los ríos y me di cuenta que eran tan dinámicos, que había miles de cosas que no veía. Y bueno, empecé a trabajar con alguien de voluntaria y de repente se me abrió un mundo inmenso y me fascinaron todos los ríos.
I got interested in freshwater science as many kids do, just poking around in a stream, turning over rocks. We had a river flowing right next to our house.
To be honest, I did my master's in marine science, but then I started reading about some papers in different lakes, like the Great Lakes, particularly Lake Erie, and I kind of found out about the different cyanotoxin poisoning that's been going on. So that was like one big thing that kind of got me interested in freshwater sciences.
So I met Amy Bergen, and she was really enthusiastic about biogeochemistry and water, and she persuaded me, she's inspired me to get into water and learn more about freshwater science.
Well, I got interested because when I was at my undergrad, I took a limnology course, and I fell in love with going to all these lakes and being in a boat and taking all these water samples, checking out the fish, taking water samples back to the lab and looking at all the algae and phytoplankton. So that's really where I fell in love with freshwater science.
Well, I'm originally from the Republic of Congo, and I moved with my family in Seattle, Washington. So just moving there and seeing how, like Seattle, there's so much water everywhere, and then, I know in Congo there's so much water as well, but it was just hard for people to have access, especially to safe water, drinking water especially. So for me to play part of that community and then be part of the solution, I got interested into it, and I went to finish my bachelor in environmental science, but the focus of water.
Yeah, so most of my undergraduate was actually focused on molecular work and primarily with human specimens, but I had a really awesome advisor or professor, I guess, who saw that I was interested in molecular work but also interested in conservation, and he actually kind of grabbed me to work on a master's project in environmental DNA, since it's such a good combination of both, and I'm really excited to be working on conservation. I feel a lot more called to it than I did medical biology.
So it's funny because I was actually pre-med for a really long time, and then I was kind of looking for other ways to maybe help people, and I was supposed to take an ecology class, so I took it, and Tim Poline, who's my now advisor, was teaching it, and I actually fell in love with the subject more than I thought I would. So I joined his lab and loved the research and loved just the lab work of it.
Growing up in Michigan, you're surrounded by fresh water, and I've always been really interested. Growing up on Lake Huron, it was always something that's really important to me, and so I've always had a deep interest in studying it and learning more about the freshwater around us.
Bueno, yo soy de Mendoza, que es una ciudad pequeña cerca de los Andes, en el límite con Chile, y es una zona árida. Entonces, en Mendoza básicamente todo depende del agua, y somos una sociedad que siempre está pensando alrededor del agua. Entonces me encanta la naturaleza, y cuando empecé a estudiar decidí que me quería dedicar a hacer cosas relacionadas al agua.
So I was really lucky to grow up in an area that had a whole bunch of really readily available and abundant natural resources, and so I grew up kind of splashing and swimming and fishing and snorkeling in the many streams and rivers near my home in East Tennessee.